Hey, if you wonder how we can change language on the Redmi Watch 4, the only way to do this is to perform the reset of this watch. Unfortunately, in the settings or in the Mi Fitness application on our smartphone, we cannot do this. The only way is to perform the hard reset. And if you don't know how to do this, let me quickly show you. So I'm gonna actually set up my phone with this watch, and I will actually quickly show you. So as you can see, after a few seconds, I'm just connected, and now I'm gonna guide you how to perform the reset and change the language. There we go. So we'll have to actually swipe up to open this menu, go into the settings, then scroll down all the way down, go to the system, and now select reset and click to erase all data. And now in this time, just be sure that you turn off the Bluetooth on your phone, because when you didn't, your watch will try to automatically connect into your phone, and it will doesn't allows you to change the language, because it will actually automatically go into the pairing mode. It will pops with the failing connection. And as you can see now from this screen, we can actually get the all languages list, and we can pick any language. So in my case, it will be for sure the English one. But if you want to change it, you can simply do this. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.